Alright, so I'm trying my first TPU print on the bamboo printers here. This is a accessory for like a extra storage container for my Model X, and I had some kind of neon green transparent TPU that I had left over from a previous project, so turned out pretty good except for some issues there at the top. Green's super cool though. Yeah, this just like hooks on the side of the existing door panel and gives you extra place to store stuff. This is the one that it is transparent green. I'm gonna find something else to do with this one. But TP, nice and soft and flexible. And just like that, she's ready to go for the next round. Once I clean some poop out of the back. Yeah, I'm definitely noticing that these things do make a mess back here. I gotta start making some of the poop chute collectors. It's a pretty good collection right there. Ooh, that's the megalode right there. And just check it and see how the rest of these are doing. I just started a bunch, so there's probably not much to see here. Funky Bitch is almost done with a scaled up Death Star lamp. I'm doing this with a glow in the dark PLA. Another 7 hours, so this one should be done tomorrow morning. Ready? Go. Oh, that was a bad throw. Sorry, bud. Can you find it? No, it's back there. You close? No, 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 no. Back, back. Look, right there. Uh-oh. Now we did it. You're making a mess. Never get in the way of a border collie and his ball, I guess. More. All right, one more.